Welcome back to Suzieandersonhome. Today we're sharing our ideas for decorating in the rustic design style. The literal definition of rustic is that it relates to the countryside or a rural lifestyle and aesthetic. Celebrating the raw beauty of natural materials and embracing a sense of simplicity, ruggedness and authenticity, the rustic design style is cozy, earthy and timeless. So if you want to learn how to create a lived-in, laid-back and approachable interior, then this style is for you. The colour palette. For a warm and inviting interior, introduce warm neutrals like chalky whites, beige, browns, tan and dove grey, with metallic accents of blackened iron, copper, brushed brass or oil rubbed bronze. These neutrals can be complemented by soft nature-inspired tones like mossy greens, sky blue, ochre and dusky pink. Architectural features. From mountain log cabins to French and English cottages, Tuscan estates and relaxed country abodes, rustic architecture is inspired by timeless buildings throughout history. Architectural features include exposed elements such as reclaimed wooden beams, stone foundations and rafter tail details. The common thread is that the architectural designs embrace these materials' irregularities and unique characteristics, allowing each element to tell its own story. Other features include rustic shutters, old doors, tongue and groove timber cladding, textural wall finishes and cosy fireplaces. Rustic style flooring. Rustic style flooring includes richly grained timber floorboards or weathered wide plank oak wood floors, complemented by tumbled stone, terracotta, ceramic or slate tiles. These flooring options can be accentuated with thick weave plush rugs, animal hides, faux fur and jute area rugs and runners. Rustic style lighting. Wrought iron and wood, antique or vintage chandeliers, along with lantern style pendants and fixtures made from raffia, muslin, cane or wicker, are ideal for ambient lighting. For task lighting, consider floor and table lamps crafted from chalky ceramic, wood or iron with natural linen shades. Window treatments. Window treatments in rustic interiors are simple and understated, allowing natural light to flow throughout the home. Sheer curtains, linen drapes, woven blinds and lightweight Roman shades offer privacy, texture and warmth without detracting from the views. Furniture. Rustic furniture is characterised by its sturdy construction, natural finishes, heavyweight designs, and the idealisation of nature. Steer clear of ultra-modern or inorganic materials, instead focusing on pieces crafted from reclaimed woods, iron, leather, stone and relaxed fabric slipcovers. Some key furniture ideas include a vintage leather armchair or Chesterfield sofa, live edge wood tables, a reclaimed timber farmhouse table, Adirondack chairs, relaxed slip-covered sofas and armchairs, vintage trunks, and vintage or antique accents. Texture and materials. As seen throughout the video, the rustic style focuses on natural materials, often left in their most authentic state. Rough-hewn wood surfaces, weathered finishes and tactile fabrics like wool, linen, cotton, jute and burlap add depth and visual interest. Layer a variety of textiles with cashmere throws, chunky knit wools, cotton and linen blankets, and sustainably sourced animal hides to soften hard surfaces and angular lines. Prints and patterns include ticking stripe, plaid, checks, herringbone, landscape or botanical prints and more. Art and mirrors. In rustic interiors, artwork choices range from oil portraits and still life art to botanical illustrations, wildlife prints and landscape paintings, often displayed in old frames. Accessories. Rustic homes are made for filling with vintage, antique and handcrafted finds. Something loved includes chalky ceramics and rustic-style pottery, vintage enamelware, old clocks, wooden sculptures, leatherback books, and wood, iron or rattan trays. Lustre is subtle and achieved through metallic glass and glossy accents, such as hammered metal candlesticks and trays, old mason jars, recycled glass vases, and muted glazed ceramic vessels. Living energy. Lastly, rustic interiors feature lush and structural plants like fiddle-leaf figs, ferns and palms, which bring freshness and vitality indoors. In addition, succulents are favoured for their low maintenance and varied shapes, while potted herbs like rosemary and lavender add fragrance and beauty to the kitchen. Finally, wildflowers such as daisies and sunflowers, along with dried flowers, grasses and tall reaching branches, contribute to the rustic charm with their untamed beauty. Thank you so much for watching. We trust you found these rustic style interior design tips helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.